Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a multi-body part using Solidworks software, and this we are going to use the combine feature. Solidworks, the combine feature is used to perform Boolean operations on two or more solid bodies within a single part file. It works only when you have a multi-body part, more than one solid body in your part. The combine feature gives you three main options: add, subtract, and common. In this tutorial, we are going to use the common option. In common option, it keeps only the overlapping intersecting volume between the selected bodies. The rest of the non-overlapping regions are discarded. So without wasting any time, let's start a drawing. So this is the sketch which I'm going to draw initially. So first of all, I'm going to go to the front plane and sketch on it. And I'm going to draw a line like this. Okay. From this point, like this straight line. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a tangent arc like this. Then a straight line like this. Okay. Then a tangent arc, again a tangent arc like this. And then a straight line like this. Okay. Select. Just keep in mind this line and this arc should always be tangent. Smart dimension, distance from this point to this point is 178 mm. 178 mm. Okay, and the radius of this arc is 63.5 mm. Radius of this arc is 50. Okay, now smart dimension, distance between this line and center of this arc is 115 mm. 115. Okay, and distance from this point to the center of this arc is 63.5. 63.5. Okay, and distance from this point to this point is, we can say height is 32 mm. 32 mm. See, now it is fully defined. So I'm going to exit the sketch. Then I'm going to go to extruded boss base. Understood? Now sketch plane. In blind, direction 1 blind, I'm going to select mid plane. In mid plane, the depth should be 57 mm. Okay. Thin feature. In thin feature, I'm going to select the thickness as 9.5 mm. Okay, so this body has been made. So now you need now in solid bodies you see there's only one body. For combined feature, we need more than one body. To use the combined feature, we should have more than one body. So I'm going to now make the second body. So in order to make the second body, I'm going to sketch on it, and not sketch on it, I'm going to select this top plane and sketch on it. Okay, now first I'm going before drawing a circle, first I'm going to select a line, center line. So midpoint of this edge to the midpoint of this edge, I'm going to draw a center line, or you can say a construction line. I'm going to draw a circle which should touch this edge. Okay, now smart dimension, the dimension is 50, diameter is 57 mm. Then I'm going to draw the smaller circle. Okay, like this, touching this edge. Smart dimension, diameter should be 19 mm. Okay, now I'm going to join these two circles by a line from here to here. Okay, skip, again from here to here. As you can see, it is fully defined, so there's no problem with the sketch. Now I'm going to remove the unwanted arcs. by going to trim, by selecting the trim entities. In trim entities, I'm going to select the power trim, and I'm going to remove the unwanted arcs. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Check the green tick. Okay. Now exit the sketch. Now I'll go to the extruded boss base command. First of all, I'm going to select not blind, should be mid plane. Okay. So why I'm selecting the mid plane? The thickness should be such that it should intersect body one, this body. Understand? So the thickness should be more than the thickness of the body 2 should be more than the thickness of the body 1 in order for the body 2 to intersect the body 1. So you can put any arbitrary dimension as long as it is intersecting the body 1 in both the directions. Okay, but see here, there's one problem. It has taken thin feature. See, 9.5 mm. So how I'm going to remove it? I'm going to go to selected contours. I'm going to select like this. Okay, then I'm going to uncheck the thin feature. Now again I'm going to select this contour. So I'll show you the contours which I've selected, which we have not understood. This one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, now I'll check it like this. Now before proceeding, see, there's one mistake over here which I was going to do. Merge result, always uncheck it. If you use merge result, it will become one body, and if you have one single body, then what, you cannot use the combined feature. In order to use the combined feature, you should have more than one body, which I already told you in the definition. So I'm going to uncheck the merge result. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to use the combined feature. Combined feature, if you cannot find it over here in features, so you can always find it in search command. You can write over here as I'm writing, or see, you can see the combine. See, combine is over here, or you can go to insert. In insert, go to features. In features, select combine. There are two ways. Now the three operation types in combine: add, subtract, and common. I'm going to use the operation type common. In common, it only keeps the overlapping or the intersecting volume between the selected bodies, and the rest of the non-overlapping regions are discarded. Okay, so I'm going to select this body. Before going to combine, I'll show you how many bodies over here. One body, extrude thin one, the first one, and the second one. Okay, now combine. Okay, I'm going to select combine. Okay, I'm going to select the first body. Any body you can select in any order. They're saying that it cannot be selected from the tree, so you have to directly select from the drawing. So this body and this body. Show preview like this. Okay, this is what I wanted. Now this is the drawing which I wanted. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this surface. I'm going to draw this feature, counterbore M5 panhead machine screw. Okay, so I'm going to select this surface and sketch on it. Sketch, right click, sketch. Now I'm going to draw a circle. So in order to draw a circle, to find the center point of the circle, I'm just going to touch the circumference of this arc without clicking on it to get the center point of the arc. So I got the center point and I drew the circle. Smart dimension, this should be 19 mm. Check it. Okay. Now extruded boss base. I don't want mid plane, I want blind. Okay, and the depth should be 13 mm. Correct. Now to make a contour bore, now to do a contour bore operation on this feature, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to hole wizard. select whole wizard. In whole wizard, the whole type, I'm going to select counter bore, okay, and standard ISO, pan head, cross recess ISO 7045, size M5, normal, okay, and condition through all. Then I'm going to go to positions, 3D sketch. Now I'm going to do counter bore operation over here on this feature. So I'm going to touch the circumference of the circle without clicking on it in order to find the center point of the circle. So this is the center point of the circular edge. So I'm going to click on it and check over here, green, okay. See, now we have done the counter bore operation on this feature. So counter bore for M5 pan head screw. So we are on the right part. This for the second operation. I'm going to click on the surface, sketch on it, draw a circle. Again, click on the circumference of the circle to get the midpoint of the arc. Draw a circle. The diameter of the circle should be 57 mm, which is nothing but the extrusion length of the first body. Okay. Now exit sketch, extrude boss base. Extrude boss base. The depth of the extrusion should be is 20 mm. Okay. Now for the hexagonal slot, I'm going to sketch on it a hexagon. So in sketch, I'm going to select polygon. In polygon, parameter 6, inscribe circle. So first of all, I'll find the center point of the circular edge. This is the center point of the circular edge. Draw hexagon. Okay. Now smart dimension. This circle is, the inscribed circle is 28 mm. 28 mm. But still it is not fully defined. So in order to fully define, I'm going to select this line, okay, and add relation horizontal. Now it is fully defined. Okay. Now I'll exit the sketch and extruded cut this hexagon blind up to next or through all. Now how to add color? I'll go to color over here, okay, and select this one, okay, to add the color on the whole body. Okay, select this bodies, and in solid bodies, what are you going to select? Cut extrude, okay, and I'm going to add a green color. So this is how we use the combined feature. And thank you very much. If you have liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.